Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters. I hope you're well, healthy and safe in the mad things we're going through. Do I say, yes, this is still Butler.Head.Quarters. The beard's gone, Dad's beard is also gone as well. Dad is a key worker, so he has to get rid of his beard so the mask fits right. I took my days, I thought it was a bit unfair, Dad shaving all his beard off and me still having my beautiful beard. So I've took it right back now. Well, not right back, still a bit of beard, but it's back enough. And when I do go shopping, the mask will work a little bit better. But Dad had to shave his right off because he's a key worker and the mask will do nothing for him when he was out and about doing what he was doing. But you may have noticed today, Butler.Head.Quarters has no video uploaded. But if you look there is no part shelf in Boudica. BMW E34 540. That's simply because me and Dad over the weekend was going to fit a rear sunshade to the 540, but the partial shelf just disintegrated. He didn't want to play ball, he didn't want to have nothing to do with that. So as we was cutting it, it started to disintegrate and start flaking off and all that stuff. But there is half a video I've been filming for that. We have ordered some reinforcement for the shelf and some leather, but with the lockdown and all that, I ain't too sure when that will be coming, when that will be arriving. But I have brought some leather and some reinforcement to reinforce the partial shelf. That's just back. So the partial shelf, some blind will be an install video when it's done. We're going to leather the partial shelf and we're going to get it all looking nice. Hello, Pop.
Hello.
Yeah, did that work?
Yeah, good day.
See, the beard is no more. But while Dad's here now, I do want to go into depth about the beard thing. November is it called?
Movember.
Me and Dad are going to both shave our beards right down for charity. We're going to find a charity out. We're going to shave our beard right down, and for our whole year, we are not going to shave. That right?
That's the aim, isn't it?
Now another problem is there's no intake manifold on Boudica at the minute. When we change a PCV valve, it's the broke the intake manifold, so we have to take it all off. Upon taking it all off, the knock sensors have all been cracked. So we're changing the knock sensors, which have been ordered. We're changing the throttle position sensor, that's on order. And we're changing the water temperature sensor. We're changing the water temperature sensor as well, which isn't on order. Which in any other situation would make a lovely video, but I've just come off the phone to BMW UK and they are not taking orders. I've got nothing left! I've got nothing left! Taking orders on any part until the virus is gone. So that's another no-go. Again, we're halfway through a video on this and there's a no-go. So I look forward to put this content out there to say I'm still going for the 3 videos a week. But it's a bit hard in the situation right now because one car gets used for Dad's work. Nugget is stuck between a brick wall and Boudica. Boudica now got moved. The black 6-speed manual is in the paint shop and our other 7 is in our other storage spot, which is a good mile and a bit walk. And in these conditions, everybody coughing and sneezing, I don't fancy that one bit. But I will still get content out there. But for all the people who just joined, who subscribed last week, thank you for subscribing. Me and Dad is going to come and do a shot now. We want to say thank you for subscribing. We have got a lot of cars, we've got a lot of content to come. But we're always working against the grind. Is that right?
It is indeed.
So, hope you're safe, hope you're well. We've still got to find a manifold for Boudica as well. Now, I've narrowed it down to an E39 Alpina intake or an E32 740 92, is it? Is it 92?
92 to 93, I think.
Yeah, intake. That's the ones what I'm after. I mean, no rush to get one now because this ain't going to be putting back till the virus is gone. I don't have 11 at back's going to be doing anything till the virus is gone. So let's all stop in, let's all get the virus gone so we can enjoy summer. But until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.